How do I make my learning experience uniquely mine? Each user customizes their settings to what they like on their device's browser. If you change browsers or devices, you will need to adjust your settings for the new location. Let's look at how to do this. Begin by clicking on Settings, which is located on the lower toolbar of WebReader. There are 5 areas in Settings. Let's first look at the highlighting area. Select the word color and the sentence color you would like to use. If you are colorblind, you will want to use the underline for words, and one of the first 4 colors, from left to right, for the sentences. This works great for courses with a large amount of vocabulary. If the course is general information, reverse the settings. Let's select blue as the word color, and yellow as the sentence color. The second area is the toolbar that is located on the top right of the highlighting screen. Select your reading speed, which has a speedometer as the icon. You can increase or decrease the speed by increments of 5% by using the up and down arrows to make the adjustments. If you are a second language learner, slow the speed down to about 90%. If you are going into an area where you will deal with panicked individuals, you will need to learn to listen at double time. Over the coming year, try gradually incrementing the speed until you reach 200%. For our demo, let's use 105%. Click on the icon for text settings. It has a capital A, a lowercase a, and a gear as the icon. Here you can set your font size. Let's use a +1 size. You can select your font. Let's use Comic Sans. The next area, text colors, lists the background and text color combination choices. If you need a stark contrast, use the yellow on black combination. For our example, let's use the black on pink combination. The text spacing setting allows you to put space between characters. This is great to use if you are having decoding challenges. Let's use normal. Adjust the window size by using the arrows in the lower corner. If you are easily distracted, make the window the regular reading width where you do not move your eyes. This will help you keep focused. Samuel, will you talk about the other 3 settings?
Aaron, I will be glad to. The third area is called Other Settings. Generally, we want the left-hand choice for these settings. The fourth area, Shortcuts, is where you will set up your keyboard shortcuts. Let's look at how to change some shortcuts. Delete the existing shortcut by clicking on the X, and then click in the area for the shortcut command. Let's change the pause shortcut to capital Q, and the play shortcut to capital P. The up arrow to the left of the letter indicates you press the shift key with the letter for the shortcut. Now, let's look at the last area, which is Restore. Suppose you want to revert back to the original shortcuts. Uncheck all the items except the shortcut item. Click Restore. Let's look back at the shortcuts area, and we see that the original shortcuts are present. Now that you know how to customize your settings, you are ready to make your learning experience uniquely yours.